Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys the best solo money methods that you can go ahead and use to make millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online with the new Los Santos Tuners DLC. Now if you are new to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and drop a like. It supports the channel a whole lot by pushing the videos out to more people. And while you're down there, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I do post weekly money methods, model outfits, and GTA 5 glitches, and I also do go live with subscribers such as this car meet you're seeing right now. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. And now let's get into the video. If you're low on money in GTA 5 Online for the new DLC, make sure you go ahead and check out Messy Modding store down below. They sell cheap and reliable modded accounts and even account boosting for Xbox, PlayStation, and even PC. So if you are low on money for GTA 5 Online, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And they even have tons of other services on their website, so make sure you go and check out Messy Modding down below. And now let's get into the video. Now the first money method I'll be showing you is gonna be the workshop that is inside of the auto shop that you bought. Now if you are watching this, Rockstar, that is nothing, alright? That is a normal garage. But yeah, if you did end up buying two of your staff inside of your workshop, basically they get you these cars that spawn inside of your auto shop. If you've ever done CEO vehicle warehouse, it is pretty much the same exact thing. Alright, all you gotta do is just walk up to the vehicle, press right D-pad, and then customize the vehicle. Alright, so once you press right D-pad on it, it should give you like this service thing. You just want to service the vehicle. Once you've done that, come up to resprays, and if you look at the bottom, it said respray color black. Come over here to performance, and it should also give you some upgrades that the client wants. So if you look at the bottom, it says request upgrades, EMS upgrade level 2, street suspension, and street transmission. Basically, you just want to go ahead and add those exact upgrades that the client wants. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then this here gives you like a little bonus that you can get about like 5,000. I don't know if it's exactly 5,000, but every time I've done it, it's always like 5,000. I've done like 3 times, and it's always been $5,000 bonus. But yeah, I don't know. It's like sometimes it may be more, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But yeah, once you finish all of the upgrades, all you really want to do is go ahead and deliver the vehicle to the client. Now for me, the clients have always been like a mile or 2 miles away. It's never been like somewhere like crazy like, oh, they're at Paleto Bay. It's always been close to my like auto shop. So it's like, that's the best thing about this, because you can go ahead and do these missions like super quickly. Right now, once you have delivered the vehicle to the person, you should get your payment. Now I did end up crashing the vehicle twice. Now I don't know why, but every time I've sold my vehicle, it's always been the same exact lady. All right, I don't know if it's just me. Tell me in the comments down below, because every time I sold the vehicle, it's always her that's been picking them up. As you can see, I ended up getting $59,000 with a bit of damages, $580 worth of damages right there, but it's still pretty good money. Now I do have a second vehicle that I can go ahead and sell, which could probably sell for like 66,000 if I did not do no damages, which basically gets me over a net of $100,000 right there. And this mission right here took me like at least a minute or 2 or maybe 3 minutes to go ahead and deliver the vehicle to this location. It's super quickly to do. Highly recommend for you to go ahead and do this. Now the next money method I highly recommend for you to go ahead and do are going to be the contract missions inside of your auto shop on the second floor. Now if you don't own the auto shop, you can also have a friend or random person that can also help you out. Now most of these contract missions have always paid over $170,000, and for me, I don't know about you guys, but yeah. And they also have always 2 setups. Right, all the missions always have 2 setups, and then the third is always a final mission for you to go ahead and do. So like they're super quickly to do. For me, most of these missions here, I would say probably take me like 14 minutes to go ahead and do setups and the missions themselves, but since I'm doing this here solo, it's gonna take me a little more longer doing the final mission. But yeah, now before you do go and start, make sure your weapon loadout is gonna be Hustler. Right, you do get an assault rifle if you pick a Hustler. The other two, the marksman rifle is like, I mean not marksman rifle, the sharpshooter gives you like a sniper rifle, and then the other one I forgot the name of it, but that gives you like a pump shotgun, which is pretty horrible. And all you want to do is go ahead and pick the vehicle. Now once I've picked the vehicle, all you really want to do is head over to location. Now each contract mission is different, so you might have a different mission than mine, but the one I'm doing is called bank heist. All right, so basically we just gotta go to Flisa, like blow up the doors, not blow up the doors, but like put a charge in the door and then like burns up, and then we get the money that is inside. That's pretty much it for this one right here. Now the 2 setups are like super simple. The first one, I believe it was that you gotta get the superchargers, and the second setup was to go and put like some jammers on like the security system. That was pretty much it. It's like super quickly and easy to do. And yeah, now once you go ahead inside, all you want to do is go and take all of the money and head over to the next location. Now if you are gonna gonna be doing this here solo, it might take a little more longer because I'm doing this here solo for the sake of the video. But if you are gonna be doing this here with friends or even random people, it's gonna be a lot more quicker to go ahead and do, since like 4 of you can go to like each one, and then like if whoever finishes first can go to the last 2, since like it's 6 players and like 6 locations and 4 players. But yeah, super simple to do if you are gonna be doing, not super simple but like super fast if you are gonna be doing this with other players. So now I've hit all 6 locations and even got the cops off me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and deliver the cash to these guys. Now one thing I do not understand about Rockstar Games, like why they did this, but basically they make us rob a heist and then we give the money to somebody else, even though I can like money launder the money on my own. But it don't make sense. But yeah, so I ended up getting paid $160,000. Now it is $178,000, but keep in mind them two people in like for the auto shop, I think it's KJ and Samson, I don't even know her name, but yeah, basically they take like a little cut of like $18,000, and that's the reason why I ended up getting paid $160,000. But yeah, these money methods here are going to be super easy to go ahead and do, and as you can see, $160,000 and $17,000 cut that they took. So yeah, wait, what's her name? Sinasta? Oh yeah, I think that's her name. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, I highly recommend you to go ahead and do this. I've like this is the first day of like the first couple hours of the DLC. I ended up make $1 million just off of these missions right here. Like they're super quick to do, super easy, and lots of fun to go ahead and do. And they're like always like alternate. It's like not always the same thing. There's like multiple different ones. So yeah, I highly recommend you to go ahead and do these contract missions that they really pay good in my opinion, and like super fun to do. So on to the next money method. Now the next money method I'll be showing you is going to be the RC Bandito time trial. Now if you do not own the RC Bandito, pretty much all you want to do is go ahead and skip to the next one. But if you do own one, keep on watching. All you want to do is head over to this location right here on the map. Now every single week the location does change, so if you're watching this from like a week from now, the location may be different. But yeah, pretty much all you want to do is just go ahead and do the time trial. You want to get to these checkpoints under 1 minute and 27 seconds, and that's pretty much it. If you go over 1 minute 27 seconds, you will not get paid the 100,000, but if you do complete it under 1 minute 27 seconds, then you end up getting $100,000 by completing this time trial right here. But yeah, it's super simple. I did end up crashing a few times. It did take me 4 tries to complete this finally. But yeah, I highly recommend you to go ahead and do this if you do own an RC Bandito, because it's legit a free $100,000, because it legit takes 1 minute 27 seconds. Like that's super quickly to go ahead and do. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and speed this part up for you guys until I do finish the time trial. So here we go, I'm about to finish it, and there you go, 100,000 just like that. So if you haven't done the RC Bandito time trial already, I highly recommend you to go ahead and do it. And also the location, as I said earlier, does change every single week, so you can also keep on doing this every single week, and also gives you 100,000. So on to the next one. Now the next money method is gonna be the regular time trial, and anybody can go ahead and do this. All you need is a motorcycle, and that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and get some motorcycles off the streets if you're like a level 1 or like a beginner or something like that. Now all you want to do is head over to Mount Chiliad, and that's pretty much it, because this is where the time trial is, and line yourself up in this direction I'm facing. Now please do not skip this part, because the path that I'm going to be showing you guys is a guaranteed win if you go ahead and follow it correctly and just do not crash. So all you want to do is go ahead and head over this path right here, and just be careful on those, like that back part right there just passed. Make sure you go ahead and be careful not to crash into any rocks or trees, same as this part that I'm coming up on. Do not crash on any types of rocks or anything like that, because if you do, you're gonna lose a bunch of time. Now keep on going up this little hill right here and try and hit as many wheelies as possible. If you are using a motorcycle, just keep on hitting them wheelies. It gets you there faster, okay, and just helps out a whole lot. And once you get to this pointy part right here, you just want to go ahead and just jump up here. And this part, be careful, you do not want to go too fast and head over on the other side of the mountain like what I did sometimes. But yeah, all you want to do now is go ahead and follow the trail all the way up, and do not go too fast, because if you go too fast you might over jump it and go like off the mountain or something like that. So just be careful, be very cautious on this part. Now we're getting very close. Now do not go the regular path right there. Head over here where I'm about to go, and just go up here, and here we go, I'm about to make it, and there you go. I was able to get $100,000 in 1 minute and 4 seconds. So if you did follow the guide I just showed you for the time trial to get up the mountain and complete this under the time they give us, which is 1 minute and 10, you're guaranteed to complete this easily. All right, and also if you do end up crashing, if you're on Xbox, hold Y while you're on your motorcycle, and if on PlayStation, all you want to do is go ahead and hold the button you used to go get into vehicles such as like cars, planes, motorcycles, and all that. So hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you are new to the channel and these money methods here were helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and drop a like. It supports the channel a whole lot by YouTube pushing out to more people. And while you're down there, consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post weekly money methods and I do go live with subscribers. So if you do enjoy today's video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. And TiimeDesign, sign out. Peace.